Article 856, the effect of predecease. When you say predecease, the uh, heir died before the testator. So nauna kamatay itong either compulsory heir who is entitled of the legitim, or ang voluntary heir who was instituted for the free portion. So when the voluntary heir predeceased the testator, then there is no representation. He cannot be represented. So the heirs of such voluntary heir cannot represent the voluntary heir because there is no right of representation here. And this applies even to legatee and divisee. Kay kani sila similar to voluntary heir, gi-institute lang ni sila sa free portion kani mga legatees and divisees. So for example, a legacy of 2,000 to a brother who dies ahead of the testator cannot be rightfully claimed by the legatee's heir, for there is no transmission of any right. And like in the case of compulsory heir, if a compulsory heir predeceased the testator, then there is this right of representation. The heirs of that compulsory heir can represent uh, the compulsory heir. Take note that the representative does not succeed the person represented, but the one whom the person represented would have succeeded. So ang ilahang kani mga um, uh, representatives of the compulsory heir who predeceased the testator, they are also succeeding not the person represented. They does not succeed the person represented or the compulsory heir, but they would succeed still from the um, testator. But the one whom the person represented would have succeeded. Not a right of representation, but still they succeed, or they have this right of succession only coming directly from the testator.